Okay, the girls should be joining any minute. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this. I might because I don't have content. Should I remove it? Welcome. Okay, I didn't think this through. I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, where's Robert?
He hates us. Turn on your camera. Why do you hate me?
I think so.
My camera is on. Why can't I see you?
Because you're on your
There's
phone.
two.
Robert Grande. Who let him?
Hi, Queen.
So, the Band-Aid. Oh, his audio's still connecting.
Hello. Why is there two of you in here?
Because I need my other one for audio.
You need your two in here. Oh,
Oh,
you want
there.
me, love?
I know, because it like delays sometimes.
Where's Josu?
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Invite him right now.
Oh my god, no, I would never wear this mask to school. Because I would get clocked by everyone. Please. Like, it's cute though. It eats. But you have questions, Yolanda, so we need to...
I don't have questions.
I need to finish my quiz first, y'all.
Okay, Isabel will
Here's my
finish your
feet.
quiz.
Do you have a laptop?
He does. He sent me his
I mean,
school
Taylor
stuff.
flopped though, so why would we listen to her?
What?
Can you join our Zoom meeting?
For the YouTube.
It's a freak show, so you gotta be a freak. Yeah, Josu, Yo-Yo's gonna send you the code. How do you feel about that? He's feeling good.
I feel so boring for doing my tests.
It's
I'm gonna
'cause
turn
I'm-
off my camera.
I'm being held hostage. Oh my gosh, stop. Our viewers are gonna like, what if I'm famous and I said Taylor flopped? I'm gonna get dragged by Taylor. I'm gonna get dragged by Cardigan Stance. Album called? I don't freaking know. Folklore? Lord Farquaad? I don't freaking know. Gave me nothing on the album, so that's all I can say.
Josu.
Josu, hurry up. Okay.
Okay.
Oh my god!
What are you doing?
Isabel.
I'm taking my final for AP Government.
Stop taking your finals. Literally, what school?
Morning!
Girl, why don't you have your
I
camera
Yolanda
on?
just dipped on us.
She said bye. Who's Yolanda
Right.
Henderson and who is Yolanda Renee? I don't know Yolanda had a twin.
See. Can we get
I'm
some
like,
people in here?
who are we gonna get in here?
Josu, you have
What are
help.
we doing? Like, what?
We're just talking, like,
No, this is like
You
the
like-
most random thing ever. I
you
was
like my
like,
bed? You like my bed?
yeah, it's very hot.
Sorry, I am.
Are you on Zoom on your phone?
Yes.
My most prized possession.
Yeah, y'all can hear.
This is the only like the other CD I have. Beyonce.
4. That's all Ariana Grande though.
It is. You're right. This one.
I have this one. I have
That's
that
the one
too.
that I want. The one that you have, but I don't know how to get it.
Why are
I got
there
it
so
from a
many
website.
different ones?
Like the song.
Do you got
No,
this?
I want that. Do you want to trade?
Oh my gosh.
I'll give you this if you give me the Rain on Me single.
But this is rare. You can't buy this.
Bitch, I don't give a fuck.
Please don't get mad
Language.
with me.
Language.
God,
I'm
Yolanda
kidding.
doesn't curse. Yolanda, say a curse word. No, say a curse word.
I'm scared.
She's gonna get an ass whooping.
Get yourself a copy. Now I'm gonna go to catch me going to Walmart on December 15th, getting the chromatic Oreos.
Sorry about that, y'all.
Past few weeks.
What is me when I was in quarantine? I slept through if I wasn't sleeping through my classes, I was crying.
Mr. Nowicki, I hope you're not watching this.
Oh my gosh, so my sister's my sister's boy, oh my gosh, one of my sister's boyfriends is working on he's working on Lady Gaga's ex house, I think. Isn't that kind of iconic?
What is Yolanda doing?
I'm sorry, Robert.
It's a fan behavior, but
I love this part.
Oh my god, we have a TikTok.
Ew.
Ew, collab ASAP. I
We
mean,
do, sis.
yeah, don't collab. How about that?
Yolanda's gonna have the rain on me of YouTube collabs. Rain on me. So you better watch yourself before we're number 1 on YouTube trending page.
Yep.
Right.
Yolanda, who are we? Like, you have to like organize us by how we act.
Get out, love.
Oh.
Let me get my words.
We're not copycatters.
We're not, but I want to know who's who.
Robert's
like,
the
not
one that's
who-
always trying to start an argument.
I'm the one that's just.
Wait,
The
so
best
how
one.
do we do like the 4 screen where we can all see each other?
Want me to show you the cute side of my room? Because only one side of my room is like decorated.
Or you got a popcorn ceiling, all your room is ugly.
Bitch, your mama.
Can you scrape that popcorn off your ceiling? Oh
Bitch,
yes.
your mama.
Robert, why don't we look at your ceiling?
Oh, baby.
Give us a
I
bed
wanna see the
tour.
popcorn ceiling.
Damari, did y'all hang up the call?
Boy, why you on
well,
another
ring me-
call?
Ring me again, thank you.
No.
Girl, what call are you guys talking about?
The minute I started
don't know who
talking,
said
he
no,
said- he
because we
jumped
can really
on
get
the
it. They were in here.
Is someone trying to join?
I'm sorry, y'all.
Oh, cute.
Honey, but do you guys have a rare $2 bill?
Yeah.
I used to have
have a
one.
thing.
You
I
have a
have like a thing
$2
of them.
bill?
Yes, a lot.
That's
Hey.
literally so cool.
That's so awesome.
Yo,
That is so cool.
yo, sweetheart.
It's so rare. you
Don't
know?
put on the front.
Candy canes are so nasty.
Yolanda, you're nasty. Don't talk to me.
Your mama.
Yolanda.
It's just a whole lot of.
Someone I was friends with in middle.
Boy, we cannot hear you.
You're muffled, Joseph.
Sounds like you're under 5 plates.
That's my ball.
Boy, who are you talking to?
Not us.
You like my bar?
I'm kind of.
Yes, I love your ball.
I'm single and ready to mingle. So if you want me to look like this, 95.
Excuse me.
The fuck are you? What do you want?
Because you are not ready to mingle.
What do you mean I'm not ready to mingle?
Boy, how would you
We're gonna
know?
get
Get into it.
Because you're mine, Josu. Because you're mine, Josu. I don't know what to do. Hey. Yeah, you're mine, Josu. I don't know what to do. Hey. Say you're ready to mingle, but baby, you so single. Hey. Okay.
We literally decided it was a joke.
I never said it was a joke. I was taking that seriously.
What is Yolanda doing with her life?
Since you want to joke about that stuff, I guess I could just cut you off right now. Yo, kick him.
She's not gonna do it. Just call me a whore. Robert is slut shaming guys.
Who just sharted? Who just
I
sharted?
was.
East.
Bring Mac in the camera.
He's laying
Can I
down.
go through?
He's gonna get mad at me.
Mac.
Fuck Mac.
Here, let me get him.
Wait, isn't she canceled or something? I don't know.
No, she just recovered from a freaking overdose. She almost
Robert
died.
Grande left. Matthew too.
I'm about to get yelled at.
He doesn't like me right now.
Guys, we should play Minecraft.
Okay, let's play Roblox.
Look who decided to join us. Look who decided to join us.
Hit me there for the Christmas
Set up
time.
indigo.
Oh, I love this.
Okay.
That's tobacco.
Let me mute myself here.
Oh.
Yo.
That was real.
Sorry.
Cut it out.
That's good.
Those who talk.
Well.
And I will.
Look who decided to join again.
Someone's
Must be
conjuring
a fan or something.
Alexa,
something. A fan behavior.
Oh, you're gonna leave again now, huh? You're
I
mad?
should.
You're gonna leave again?
I can't
No.
deal with this.
you listening to positions? Because I hated it.
You want me to leave, don't you?
Yes.
Give me my call.
Guys, I got a new mask.
All the leaves are brown.
He doesn't even notice.
Okay, try not to laugh. And if we do laugh, we have to go mute.
Try not to laugh challenge. Everyone get water.
What
Who's the
what are we
funniest?
doing? We're
I'll
like
go
talking.
first. I'll go first.
A try not to laugh challenge. You have to drink water and try not to spit it out. I look at Robert and I laugh.
No, okay. Yeah, let me freaking talk.
Talk then. No one's stopping you.
Issa got loud for a bit, and I thought she was a silent
It's
queen.
pretty bold of her.
I'm gonna drink this water, and you guys have to make me laugh.
Okay, yeah, me too.
Oh, wait. Hey.
Hey?
Josu. Awkward. What if I don't laugh? I have a cavity.
That's embarrassing.
I can't do this.
What does that mean?
That we can't do this.
Why?
Because my tooth hurts when I put water in my mouth.
Then how about you make us laugh, Robert?
Yeah, Robert will be really good at this.
Yeah. But he's making himself laugh.
Okay, let's go.
You have 45 seconds, and if you don't make us laugh, you owe us each a cookie. Ready? Set.
Right on me. Love every single one of you guys, and I just can't really explain. So I'm gonna get you a Burt's Bees lipstick. Ooh.
Timer's up.
I started choking on my water.
Really?
Anything you just
Lana Del Rey just announced a music video.
What?
Lana Del Rey just announced a music video.
Who is that?
No, this better be real.
Is that Yolanda's mom? Monica Ray?
I'm right.
I'm so mad. It was a
Addison,
fake account.
I need a bad bleep. Addison,
I think my hair is fake.
It is fake.
I'm not Ariana Grande. Calm down.
you can't even disagree with Josu.
She still has longer hair than Josu.
I sense tension in this call. I do.
Call
Well, Josu's been wanting to fight for a long time.
It's never a thing.
in my Vogue magazine. Where's Ariana? Nowhere.
Y'all are just dragging Ariana.
As she should be.
I hate Ariana Venti.
Her flop era.
Turn it off. Turn it off. Just turn it off.
You're all exposed.
Imagine if we actually blew up.
Up the call.
Oh.
I removed her. Dick Benny. Robert, you're literally not even.
That was disgusting, Yolanda. You need to get.
Bye. I think my boyfriend's mad. No, he's not.
You have a boyfriend?
Oh, boyfriend.
Should we talk about it?
Should we? He called me when I was on here.
Okay,
Oh, please
why
call me
can't you
again. Should I answer?
Yeah.
Okay.
He can join the meeting.
Boyfriend.
Why is he scared?
Hey, Queen. Oh.
Like that.
Okay, but where's Issa? She in the chat. Did you just call her a turd?
We do not talk to each other like that.
Okay, miss. We have to start a new meeting, Yolanda. That is so messed up. Why
Can
would
I,
you
like-
pick her? You thought you did something, but now you just ruined the night.
Just ruined the whole thing. Wait, there has to be a way I can let her
How?
back in.
She's like irrelevant at this point.
No, I'm tired of them anyways.
Wow, yo. You know what?
Huh.
Consider this me, Josu, Isabel. How do you feel about
You got the whole squad laughing. My stomach is going off. Can you guys hear my stomach growling?
No.
Oh. Did you? It's loud.
Of course he did. He loves to hear everything.
Boy. What do you mean? No.
I'm jealous, to be honest.
You're jealous?
Yeah.
Why? Because you don't have my full attention anymore?
I'm very jealous.
Boy, you never had my full attention anyways. Mm-hmm. Just kidding, Robert. I love you.
No, you don't. It's
I know.
okay.
Yeah, I don't. I'm just trying to make you feel good.
Robert, look it up. I'm too lazy to look it up.
You guys know those people that move like that, where they're just like,
Yeah. Look. Ready? Let's just end it. Should I?
No,
We'll get Isabel on FaceTime, and so that all four of us can be in this.
you're on the phone with Daniel.
I know.
So that's how I know you're lying. Look, you're cheesing because you're lying.
What am I lying about?
That you just
I don't lie. I'm a very honest person.
really.
Yeah.
One thing about me is that I reply really quickly when a boy texts me because I want attention.
One thing about me is that I'm like super dry. Robert can second this.
Yeah. Wait. She's so dry. It's honestly so annoying. Yeah. So you're the reason I'm dry now.
Wait.
Damn.
Like, this is so dry. You put, how do you submit the artifact? Like, where do we send it? Email it to him. Oh my gosh, I still need to do that. LMAO, I keep forgetting. You put oopsie. Like, who says oopsie?
That
And
makes
then I
sense
put,
because
and then I put, where do I go? You put, just join the call. I put, oh, okay. You put, what do you need help with? I put nothing. You put, okay. Like, what?
that makes a lot of sense because I thought Yolanda didn't like me for the longest time when I would message her. Turns out she's just dry though.
Oh my gosh. No, I honestly thought me and Yo-Yo were like falling off. Like, I thought this was the end of our friendship because she was so dry. And it was like over like COVID. So I was like, yeah, she don't like me no more. Like, and I was going to ask you too, but I was just like, let me leave it alone. And
Yeah, I just
turns out
don't.
you're
We
just
just
dry.
just try, yeah.
She's really dry. It's horrible.
Just get straight to the point.
I have a whole project due on the book I didn't read.
I don't know why you felt the need to kick her.
Can you guys see? That's my laugh. Are you trying to leave? Don't leave.
I think I left. Hold up.
You're still here.
I'm tired of Yo-Yo. I'm so glad I'm out of this meeting. She was honestly pissing me off. But anyways, I missed you talking.
Let me say bye to the viewers. Okay, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.
I don't care about you guys, so yeah.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I love and appreciate you. I'll see you this next video. Bye.